ukuthi sibuke as Christians, sibuke as prophets indaba ye-AI, because i-AI is ruining our life. Njengamanje, if you go to social media, you go to TikTok, you go to Facebook, you go to YouTube, izinto eziningi zikhiqizwa i-AI. So abantu manje they are lacking ukucabanga because of i-AI. So uyabona ukuthi i-AI into yokuqala ezoqale ilwe ngayo is to destroy the human mind. After they want destroying our mind, they will come and attack us, and there will be nobody on earth who will stand against artificial intelligence. God bless you. This is our episode 1 of AI. We are coming back on episode 2. Shalom.
All right, greetings, South Africa, the Western country, the Southern Africa, all pastors, prophets of this time. I'm greeting, this is your prophet, Mandla Jehovah from South Africa, KZN. I just want us to be enlightened. I just want us to watch and be enlightened about the things that are happening right now. Isn't that has been happening in the history of Bible? They have been written and they have been said in the history of Bible. We have read so many about them in the book of Daniel. Now Daniel veza ama kingdoms that are coming, kingdoms that are to come, kingdoms that are to appear on earth. But today ngifuna sibheke indaba ye-artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is the system that has already been established all over kakhulukazi the Western America. Laphana e-US, we know Elon Musk is the first man laphana e-US. We know nago Korea, akhona futhi they have established a lot yama AI. Ngifuna sibheke indaba ye-AI, sibheke izwi likaNkulunkulu lapha encwadini kaDaniel chapter 2 uverse number from verse number 39. Daniel 2 from verse number 39. Kuningi ngifuna sikubuke, kuningi ngifuna sikubukisana lapha ku 39 to 40. Okay, let us read the word. Let us read the word. All right. The word says, "And there shall be a fourth kingdom, strong as iron, because iron breaks to pieces and shatters all things. And like iron that crushes, it shall break and crush all this." Right. 39. "Another kingdom inferior to you shall arise after you, and yet a third kingdom of bronze, which shall rule over all the earth." So this kingdom, that is kingdom of bronze, it shall rule all over the earth, meaning from all the four corners of the earth, all the four directions, north, west, east and south. So this kingdom is coming to rule all over. So lo mbuso uzofika uzobusa yonke indawo. As we know ukuthi inyanga nenyanga iSpaceX, siyasazi sonke iSpaceX. iSpaceX company leka Elon Musk edila kakhulu nama satellite ne-internet nezinto ezifana ne-internet. Siyazi ukuthi inyanga nenyanga ba-installa ama-satellites. So they have over about 40,000 satellites orbiting the earth as I am talking today. But ngifuna sibuke indaba ka-AI. Uyabona i-AI, it's something that is very big. Akufanele siyibuke ngamehlo amancane. Funa masibuka i-AI sibuke in a wide in a wide eye, sibuke ngeso elibanzi, because there is something that is coming, there is something that is being cooked. But lento ephekwayo, because our eyes are closed and our eyes are like they have been brushed, angazi kanjani, but we cannot see and understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. You know, njengamanje each and every person okhona, abantu bama researchers, ingane ezifunda ezikoleni, abantu abenza izinto ezithile njengamanje, awusakwazi ukucabanga ngomqondo wakho because kune AI ezokwenza ukuthi lento ofuna ngabe uya researcha ngayo, but i-AI will make you ukuthi leyo nto uyithole ngokukhulu ukushesha. WhatsApp uno AI, uGoogle, uFacebook uno AI, uGoogle uno AI. Some other phones, they are built with ama AI apps akhona a-installiwe kuwona. So ngifuna sibuke ke le ndaba. i-AI is not only about lento yokuthi ube ne-interaction ne-Google noma ube ne-interaction ne-internet, but i-AI ihamba ifike lapha khona sikhuluma khona ngama-robot, la sikhuluma khona ngama humanoids, la sikhuluma khona ngama skeletons lawa enziwe ngebronze noma lawa enziwe ngeiron. So sazi ukuthi masikhuluma ngama humanoids sikhuluma ngama robot, isithombe sento ewunodoli but ekhandwe ngebronze, but ekhandwe ngeiron, eyinsimbi but icabanga njengoba nawe ucabanga. It has been created ukuthi icabanga njengoba nawe ucabanga, but it is being controlled by a certain group of people, and we don't know ukuthi the more technology ikhula, how far we are getting close to the prophecy ka Daniel. Ngoba uDaniel uthi there is a kingdom that is coming, and that kingdom, let us read it again. Another kingdom inferior to you shall arise after you, and yet a third kingdom of bronze. We all know ukuthi bronze sikhuluma ngensimbi. Siyazi ukuthi uElon Musk laphana kwinkampani yakhe ebizwa kuthiwa iTesla. iTesla, it's one of the biggest company ekhiqiza ama humanoids. It's one of the biggest company ekhiqiza ama AI, ama artificial intelligence, ekhiqiza ama robots. Some of other robots abanye abantu already sebewathengile ayasebenza emakhaya. Amanye ama robots akhona emakhaya, ayaclean egcekeni, amanye kuthiwa ayagada umuzi, amanye asala nezingane emakhaya. If ubuka ama capabilities ama robots ka Elon Musk, uyabona ukuthi i-intelligence yawo, it is way too far. Abangiso komuntu and wona cabanga ngokusheshsha azadlule ngisho umuntu, but umehluko ukuthi wona ayinsimbi, umuntu unenyama, umuntu une soul, ama robot awanayo isoul. But uDaniel uthi there will be a kingdom that will arise, and that kingdom will be the kingdom of bronze, and that kingdom of bronze will rule all over the world. If we can see, njengamanje ayikho country engenayo AI, although in South Africa ngicabanga ukuthi it has been proposed indaba yokudayisa kwama humanoids, angazi noma it has been agreed on, kodwa all over the world, the western, the east, also the north, some of those countries, they are already using the AI. Even in the war ekhona njengamanje ku Russia, lapha ne Russia kanye ne Ukraine, they are using AI. Kunama drones asebenzisa AI, kunama drones asebenzisa artificial intelligence. So uyabona ukuthi njengamanje it has been practically advanced kuma wars that are taking place. We all know ukuthi njengamanje there is a war that is going on. Kunempe khona between Iran, Israel kanye ne US. If uzocabanga kahle umubheka ukuyiqhenya nokuyigqatsha kwe-US, uyabona ukuthi i-US ayithembile kuphela izikhali zayo lezi eziphathekayo, but i-US inezikhali eziyimfihlo that has not been revealed. eyithembile ukuthi noma ngathiwa amazwe ayahlangana inqwaba yamazwe ayahlangana against iUS, but iyazi iUS ukuthi okay sike sayibuka le movie okuthiwa iSkynet. If uke wabuka iSkynet banomkhuba wokuchaza ukuthi iSkynet sine station that has been built laphana kwi space. If ungabuka kahle the way iUnited States advanced ngakhona kwi space, we don't know ukuthi what has been built there. Sizwile ukuthi uElon Musk uwinile ukuthi akwazi ukuyokhanda idolobha kwiplanet Mars. Sizwile futhi ukuthi there is another inkulumo yakhe akayiphushayo nakasazama ukuphusha ukuthi aze avumeleke ukuthi bahambe bayokhanda another town futhi kwi-moon. My question is, what is it that they are running away from on Earth? So uyabona ukuthi there is a lot that is going on with space esingakwazi thina. We know ukuthi enyakeni odlule iUS ibikhala ngama UFO. Siyabasonga ama UFOs. Ama UFOs ilama bhanoyi aqhamukaye ebonakale endiza but uthola ukuthi abakwazi ukuchazeka ukuthi uhlobo lwama bhanoyi. 2, abakwazi ukuba identified ukuthi asuka kuphi, akhanda obani. So we don't know ukuthi what is it that the US has provoked in the space. But one day we will see aliens walking on foot on Earth. We will see aliens walking on foot on Earth because of EUS. They have provoked some other species that we don't know from their planet. Angekho lapho ngelakwi AI ukuthi there is a kingdom that is coming. I know ukuthi abanye benu they are following me on YouTube. Some of you they are following me on TikTok. So ngifuna understand ukuthi the more kukhandwa ama robots, the more ama robots ayakhandwa. There are more companies akhanda ama robots. Tesla is the leading one. But we must be aware ukuthi one day robots will stand up as an army and they will say we are taking over Earth. And the kingdom of robots, nobody will stand against it, as Daniel says. He says this kingdom will fight and rule all the earth, all over the earth. So, ngifuna ukuthi sibuke as Christians, sibuke as prophets indaba ye-AI, because AI is ruining our life. Njengamanje, if you go to social media, you go to TikTok, you go to Facebook, you go to YouTube, izinto eziningi zekhiqizwa i-AI. So abantu manje they are lacking ukucabanga because of i-AI. So uyabona ukuthi i-AI into yokuqala ezoqale ilwe ngayo is to destroy the human mind. After they won destroying our mind, they will come and attack us, and there will be nobody on earth who will stand against artificial intelligence. God bless you. This is our episode 1 of AI. We are coming back on episode 2. Shalom.